Welcome back. We have covered contact details and summary. Now let's jump into work experience section. This is the most valuable section of resume. Why? Cause it provides what you do rather than plain words. You getting me? When you can prove it, nothing can match it. But the problem is to present what all good we have done. So basic first, we need to mention company name, title or designation, tenure of employment, key responsibility, achievement and awards. In above example, we can see we have covered all the points and added key achievements in responsibilities. Let's see first point. Analyzed using Google Analytics. Prepared relevant presentation periodically. This shows what a person does. Second point, provided digital marketing solution to clients with 97% success rate. Shows work plus achievement. 97% success rate. Third point, worked with various teams to develop creative marketing strategies, increasing sales by 37% in 1 year. Shows not only your achievement, but it shows you are a valuable asset, which is most important thing. Best way to do is to note down all your activities. It could be small, big, more important, less important, all the activities that you do in a day. Over a span of month, you can keep a note. Note down all the activities. That's the first part that you would be doing. Second, in case you are in a department, this would be helpful. So in case you are in a department where all your peers, all your friends are doing the same work, all your colleagues are doing same work, all you have to do is you have to see what you are good at compared to the rest of the people, right? Second, the third is when third is like you, if you have good rapport with senior, you can go ahead and ask. If not, I'm sure your senior would have appreciated for small things in past. Recollect those things and note it down. When you'll do it practically, when you'll write things, you'll definitely remember things. So do that. And the last is about MIS, the reports that you would be getting. If not, you can check with your senior. For any and every work these days, there are reports which comes at regular interval. Study them. What do we need to study is whatever work you have been doing, how much is it contributing to company success, or how much it is contributing to the growth of the company is all what we need. If you ask, you shall receive. Also, work experience has to be in reverse chronology only. That is, your current job should be first, then your previous, then the previous one. Club your achievements with responsibilities and mention it. Mention 3 to 5 bullet points, but if you want to add more, then best what you could do is to reduce previous experience to 2 bullet points only. For graduates, you can mention your internship or some volunteer experience. Let's see one more example of work experience. XYZ Company Private Limited Sales Manager. July 2017 till date. 3 points already covered. Let's go through responsibilities. Analyzed untapped market and penetrated with 75% in the region. Clearly shows you are creative, strategic and independent. Let's move to the second point. Increased sales by 134% in the year with multiple strategies. Shows you are valuable, goal oriented and proves your strategies are well proven. Let's move to the third point. Trained 7 people and ensured their performance in 6 months. Definitely you are a good leader who can perform not only as an individual but as a leader too, and ensuring their performance means you can manage people. That's it. Hope it helped. Let's move to the next section of education.